Want to control vibration feedback when using ChatGPT? Here's how to enable or disable haptic feedback on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Tap the menu icon to open the sidebar. Tap your profile name to open settings. From the setting menu, scroll down and select General. Select General. Inside this section, you will see an option called Haptic Feedback. If this option is enabled, your phone will give a small vibration when certain action happen in the app. To turn off, simple toggle to switch. You can also turn it back on anytime if you prefer tactile feedback while using ChatGPT. And that's how to enable or disable haptic feedback in ChatGPT on Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.